Go ahead.
Hi, I'm CJ Glenn. I'm here at the Wellness Center at Summit Chiropractic in Broomfield, and I was suffering tremendously from allergies, so much that I couldn't sleep at night, and I was just miserable. And I tried numerous modalities to try to resolve this problem and could not get it resolved. And through Megan McGee and Amy Richardson here at the Wellness Center, I had one treatment, and the thing they do, the process was, I'm not quite sure what the name of it is, and then the nutritional supplementation sublingually, and I have had a tenfold improvement in my pain reduction, and my ability to take in more oxygen and to indeed sleep through the night.